First grade, today we're going to start our paper weaving. So at your seat, you have a paper loom. I want you to put your name on an edge, first grade, and your teacher's initial. Then you can open it up, or actually you can keep it folded for now because you're going to go up to the front table where I have 2-inch cut strips. What I want you to do is decorate your strips. First, you might want to put your name on them so you know that they're yours. Put it on an edge on all of them. At your seats, you also have Sharpies. So what I want you to do is just do some fun decorations on your project. Notice that my cap doesn't match. So be careful because sometimes kids don't put the right caps back on. If you come across a Sharpie that doesn't work very well anymore, just go ahead and get rid of it. This one also is a little messed up. So let's try to be careful about what we're doing when we are cleaning up so that the markers don't get mismatched or ruined. See, it looks like all of these are. There we go. So you have to be really, really careful. And I want you to color nice. And I want you to decorate all of your strips. This one's nice and juicy. Might go back over some stuff. Once you have a strip decorated, you are going to weave it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So decorate and design your strips. When they're designed, then you are going to start your paper weaving. So what you're going to do is you're going to lift one and go under, then go over, lift another one, go under, then go over, and then lift and go under. Push it all the way up so it's nice and tight. Let's pretend this one's decorated. And this time I went over it, so now I have to go under it. So then I go over and then under. You have to switch it up. So you have to see where your last strip was so that you can do it the right way. Under, and then this one's going to end over. And then I'm going to push it up nice and tight. I'm going to try to do a pattern with my colors. So this one was under, so now I'm going to go over it and then under the next one. Over, under, over, under, over, under, and push up. But I do want you to decorate all your strips first before you start paper weaving because I don't want your loom to get any colors on it. We're going to be making our looms into other things the next time we're together. So this one was over. I'm going to go under it, over it, under, over, under, over, and then there's a little bend here, so it's kind of hard to shimmy it up, but get it in there nice and careful. Don't tug too hard. You don't want your loom to tear. I did blue, now I'm going to do green again. I was under, now I go over. At the end of class, if we don't have enough time to finish our weaving, you're just going to tuck your strips with their name on them back in your folder. I was green, now I'm going to go orange so that we can continue doing this next time. So if you need more paper weaving time or decorating your strip time, your stuff will all be there in the folder for you. Now here, this one, the last one can be tough. So I went, this was under, so now I'm going to go over. Kind of, you got to be careful not to tear your pieces. And you are paper weaved all the way across. All right, once it's completed, everything's decorated, it just goes in the folder. The folder's small, so it will go around the edges. That way I know where all of the papers belong in what table. Thank you so much for listening.